Not going to believe this. The MSRP on this unit is $220, and we're practically giving this baby away. This is a 2024 KZ Durango Gold 387 FLF on the model number, guys. Obviously a front living unit. Up front here, we got tons of storage, solid steps to get in, beautiful large awnings. Actually, we have two of them, but come on down back. Obviously, we have our auto level, little outdoor kitchen area. Check out this back storage. Ladder to get you up. You are supported back here. That is a 300-pound hitch weight and a 3,000-pound towing capacity. Can't do that in Canada, by the way. Over here, guys, look at the beauty of this unit. 5 slide outs on it. This is absolutely massive. If you're trying to go away for the winter, or even if you're trying to have the nicest unit in the park, this is the one for you. Come on inside, let's check her out. What do we get for this amazing sticker price? Well, right here you have heating and massaging power recliners. Both of these couches here will pull out and make a bed. There's one fireplace here, 65-inch TV with the televator, and a beautiful windscreen behind it there, guys. Audio system right there and tons of storage. If you come down here, we are all the way through with solid surface countertops. Beautiful coffee nook right here. Huge 4-door gas and electric refrigerator, guys. Come over around here. You get a frickin' dishwasher. Like, what? That's friggin' awesome. Huge sink, 4-burner cooktop. Oven you can cook a turkey in. Where are you going to put all your food? Right in here, guys. Look at that pantry. You're also prepped down at the bottom for washer and dryer hookups. Table seating over here. Don't worry, guys. There is 2 more chairs that come with this. We come up here into the master bedroom area. Huge king-size bed, 2nd fireplace. How neat is that? Tons of wardrobe space, whisper, quiet ACs on this rig. But that's not all. Back here, you can have a dance party in this bathroom, guys. Tons of space around your toilet. That is a porcelain toilet. Solid surface countertop still. Tons of storage for all of your goodies that you're going to take with you on the road. 1-piece fiberglass shower, guys, with the seat in it. And then you also have another beautiful closet. And then there's those chairs I was telling you about. Folks, this isn't going to last long at this price. So if you like this unit, hurry down to Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke and seal the deal for yourself. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website at pineacresrv.com.